Okay, introduce you.
Yo, peace. What up, what up? This is Frankie, repping Universal Alchemy, Supreme Beings, Queens, New York City. Peace to all my peoples back home in the US. What up, what up?
Okay, best movie.
Best movie, Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon. Yes, cannot go wrong with that.
Okay, best French. You know the French event?
Best, yeah, a couple of them. Best, my favorite French event?
Yes.
Hip Hop Session.
Hip Hop Session. Okay. Best drink.
Best drink? Let's see, man. Best drink. You can never go wrong with a nice Corona, you know?
Okay.
Being I am from Queens as well, you know? Nice,
Okay.
cool beer.
You know the B-boy French?
French B-boys?
The best for you.
The best French B-boys? Oh man, besides my Supreme Beings chapter in France, shout out to them. Definitely one of my favorite B-boys from France though, my friend from a long time, very underrated, Nabil.
Nabil.
Vagabonds.
Nabil Vagabond.
Peace to him, man.
Okay.
Sure.
Best B-boy all time.
All time? Best B-boy all
You have right 2-3 names.
2-3?
Name if you want.
Okay, yo, some of my favorite B-boys, definitely they come from my own crew, you know? I guess it's probably like that for a couple other people, but big shout out to Jigs, big shout out to Wild Child, Step Fiends, X Fiends, you know? Big shout out to Omen, you know? And as far as new generation is concerned, I like B-Boy Wing as well.
B-Boy Wing?
Yeah, he did.
Korea. Okay. Best TV show.
Best TV show? I like to watch The Daily Show. Might be a little bit nerdy, you know, a little bit on the political side, but Daily Show I watch. Pretty dope. The Office.
Okay. Best host.
Best host? I mean, other than you, Ball. Come on, yo.
Thank you.
That's the man right there.
Thank you. Okay. Best old school B-boy.
Oh, best old school B-boy? Man, definitely you gotta shout out Storm, man.
Storm?
For real. Yeah, big influence on me and my crew.
Okay. Best friend.
Best friend? My best friend in the world? Oh man, I don't know. I don't know if I have a best friend like that. My family is usually pretty close to me and my family.
Okay. Best all-time song.
Best all-time song? Ah man, one of my favorite songs is Respiration by Black Star.
Okay. Best DJ.
Best DJ? Oh, J-Rock.
J-Rock.
Beat Junkies. World famous Beat Junkies.
Cartoon.
Favorite cartoon? Oh man, I have so many. I watch so much anime, all of them are like my favorite. But I really like this show called Elfen Live. All my anime people know what that is. It's called classic right there.
Best foreign battle.
Best foreign battle? Like event? Favorite event? Foreign battle? UK Champs is pretty dope, man. IBE.
IBE. Okay. Any last word?
Say it again?
Any last words?
Oh, any last words? Oh yeah, here's some last words, something that's really important to me. I know a lot of younger cats, they're always training like to be famous and to travel and go all over the world, you know. But if I have any opportunity to say something, add something to the B-boy world, I want to say there's a lot more to B-boying than just that. You know, like we actually have the power to change people's lives with B-boying community, you know, inspiring others. So I definitely just want to keep awareness out to other things in B-boy, like other than that, you know, something that's important to me. Big shout out to Buddha.
Thank you.